Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Popcat price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. We are starting here on the 4-hour chart for our all-time history for the Popcat, and we have an A, a B, and a C. Your wave C is an impulse here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finishing wave A in your blue count. Meaning after 3 waves up, you're looking for 3 waves down, A, B, and a C, and probably continuation toward the upside. Now, of course, inside this wave B, you would like it to hit probably still the blue zone, and that because you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave A, you have a correction for your wave B, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 still unfinished, of course. We see an extended wave 1 giving us, of course, the potential of an ending diagonal, probably, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would like to take even the low with a few cents or few dollars, and then start to move towards higher prices, of course, impulsively for a wave C, because you are, of course, in 3 waves up, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For a wave C to reach the 1-to-1 fib level of 1.05 at $4 almost as a target. Now let's move inside this wave here. As you can see, before we took that this is an leading diagonal, probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but also it can be very corrective, and that due to this wick here that we got, of course, in the top, which it can be, of course, a W here as a flat, and a B, and a C for an X, and of course a zigzag for your wave Y, meaning W, X, and a Y as a zigzag, kind of course, that it looks like a zigzag correction, right? And this is a bigger correction for your wave 4 here. What is the wave 4? Yeah, so on the daily, sorry. For your wave 4, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. Here we go. So this is your wave 4 here. And then, of course, continuation toward the downside impulsively. And that because this might be, of course, your ending diagonal. Now we see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, wave 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And then, of course, we saw a kind of correction here. Inside this correction, let's move inside the 1-hour chart for more clarity. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, possibly. Well, it doesn't look like finished, right? So in this case, we cannot really say 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, because your wave 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, has interfered. As you can see, invalidation has been hit. So we cannot call this an impulse anymore. Yeah, we cannot call it an impulse. So higher potential is that we are finishing here kind of like ending diagonal somehow like this. And this, of course, will bring us for lower prices a little bit, of course, and to get a new low probably. So probably somehow like this to get a new low. Which is probably, of course, lower than here. Yeah, I doubt it even. Even I doubt this. So if we have here, let's say this is your wave 3, and we are getting a wave 5 in a diagonal. Well, the perfect targets are, yeah, even before the 886. Yeah. So basically, I would say, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's very tricky, right? Even if we end up with ending diagonal, it's not gonna finish this impulse in a wave 5, right? So very weird, and this gives higher possibility for the bullish, guys. Yeah, so give higher possibility for the bullish. What I mean with this, it can be that this is a W and an X for expanding flat, and a Y for a zigzag, and now you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. Yeah, so be careful. This can be clearly an impulse. Yeah, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. So I would say, yeah, higher potential can be, of course, for the bullish on Popcat. And of course, anyway, this zone is very critical, as I mentioned before. Whatever it happens in this zone, inside this area, you are very bullish. Yeah, so because of course we already hit the low. Yeah, this is the lowest here. Let me show you. This is the lowest area on the daily or on the 4-hour chart. Here we can see the all-time history. This blue zone is the bullish area, and we already hit it. It's all about time here. It's all about time, and this might be a part of your wave 2, guys. So 1, 2, or A, B, and a C, W, X, and a Y, and moving toward the upside. Therefore, you have bottomed, of course, your wave C, B, as well here. This has to turn, of course, in WXY or very sharp move to the downside. It doesn't matter what it is. Whatever it happens in this area, we are bullish. Yeah, so we're very close for the bullish. Probably a little bit lower, maybe taking the low, it doesn't matter. Yeah, so you have to find the strategy, the right strategy, how to trade this. It means like you should be able, in case you take the trade from here, no financial advice, of course, but in case if you take the trade from this area somewhere, you should be able to handle the loss until the 886, for example, and then start the bullish scenario. Yeah, so you have to find the strategy and the plans for trading. No financial advice. That was it for Popcat. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.